The creation of cron jobs or scheduled tasks can be performed quickly and easily using the 20i control panel. For example, you might need to schedule a script to perform maintenance tasks such as log rotation, system updates, or data imports or exports. To get started, you'll want to log into your My20i account and select Manage Hosting. Next, select Options and then Manage next to the hosting package that you like to create the cron job for. After you've done this, select the Scheduled Tasks icon under the Web Tools section. From this point, you'll need to enter the command you want to run. This is usually something like a wget to a certain domain name, or like in this case, a PHP script. If you want to run a particular file such as WordPress's cron, you'll need to use the correct version of PHP for the website. To select a particular version of PHP to run the command, you use the script interpreters that can be found in the top right corner of the page. You'll then need to enter how often you need your cron to run by selecting the appropriate drop-down boxes for minutes, hour, day of the month, and day of the week. In this example, we are going to set this cron to run at 12:15 p.m. every day. If required, a cron job can have an email address that will be sent emails when the cron is run. Be aware an email will only be sent if the cron produces an output, so if the cron doesn't output anything, no email will be sent. Once you're happy, select Save Task. Once you do so, your cron job will be created. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team who are always happy to assist.